Dear viewers, hope you are well and you are watching very much this channel lesson. Today I'll discuss with you another important lesson. Today's lesson: what is society and how has society developed? Let's start. Society. Humans are social creatures and everyone depends on each other in many ways. Society is built on this interdependence. In simple words, society refers to a group of people who live in a particular region and follow the same culture. Broadly speaking, society is made up of the people and institutions around us, our religious beliefs and cultural ideas. There is no single and universally accepted definition of society. Its use can be seen in various senses. In a broad sense, the whole of human interaction is called society. That is, when a group of people live united and organized for a common purpose, it is called society. In other words, the interdependent population is called society. According to sociologists, in simple words, society is a group of people who interact with each other and are directly or indirectly related to each other. Both cooperation and conflict exist in living in reciprocity. However, individuals in society are interdependent. Society was created out of human need and mutual need. Characteristics, variations of society can be observed across eras, times and places, but society is unimaginable without human interaction. Definition of society. Giddings. Society is a number of like-minded individuals who know and enjoy their like-mindedness and are therefore able to work together for common ends. R.M. McIver. Society is the system of social relationships in and through which you live. Kimball Young. Society is the general term for persons living in social relations. Therefore, it can be said that when some people come together to realize their aspirations, ideas and meet their own needs and collectively build a residence in a specific area, it is called a society. Dear viewers, I hope you will be benefited from this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for getting more video. Thank you so much for watching this video.